Today I'm going to be reviewing Vipay's mini Santa hats. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. This is what it looks like. Not very big, up close, 2.75 inches by 4.3 inches. Really cute. I guess the idea is, for instance, here's like a little bottle on your table for Christmas. You can put these on your utensils, bottles. Wine obviously looks good. Maybe you got some perfume and you want to give this, make it look a little bit nicer. Really nice. Nothing special, but nothing bad. Here's my hand and how this looks. Not very big at all. What's crazy is that these are an Amazon choice, and I think they look really good here. It's got 4.5 stars. Last month, you're not going to believe this, November 2025, over 4,000 of these 12 packs were sold on Amazon. So, people are liking them. My wife already is thinking about how we're going to do it for our Christmas dinner. So any bottles, anything like that, put it on there. It looks really good. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.